Hey there, I'm Jared with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. How do you talk to your family about planning an inheritance? Inheritance is more than just the transfer of assets. It's about securing your family's future and honoring the wishes of loved ones. Yet, it's a topic that many avoid. Let's simplify it with some practical advice for starting these conversations. Starting the conversation can feel daunting, but choosing a private, distraction-free moment helps. Approach the topic with care, explaining your intentions to support and honor their wishes. Ask open-ended questions like, have you thought about creating an estate plan? Discuss key details, such as where important documents are stored and who to contact in case of emergencies.
Before we jump back into the video, let us introduce you to the Annuity Expert, your trusted resource for financial guidance. At the Annuity Expert, we provide tools, insights, and expert advice to help you make confident financial decisions and achieve your goals. Our learning labs are designed to simplify complex topics like annuities, insurance, and retirement planning. With expert guides, personal finance tips, and product reviews, you'll find everything you need to build a stable and secure financial future. If you're looking to grow your savings, check out today's interest rates. You can shop and compare the latest rates to find the best opportunities for your financial needs. We also offer a suite of free financial calculators designed to help you plan smarter and achieve your goals. From retirement and investing to insurance, our tools cover a wide range of financial needs. Whether you're estimating retirement income, projecting savings growth, or evaluating insurance options, these calculators empower you to take control of your financial future with confidence. For personalized advice, speak with our licensed financial professionals for free. Share your goals, concerns, and unique circumstances, and together we'll craft a plan tailored to your needs. Visit the Annuity Expert today and start taking steps toward the financial future you deserve.
An effective estate plan should include a will or trust to outline asset distribution, healthcare directives for medical decisions, and powers of attorney for financial matters. If you've received an inheritance, take time to process, consult professionals, and update your financial plan. Planning your own estate is equally important. Ensure your will is up to date, consider a trust for tax advantages, and keep your documents organized. Regular updates and family meetings ensure your plans reflect life changes and keep everyone informed. Discussing inheritance doesn't have to be overwhelming. With open communication and a clear plan, you can secure your family's future while honoring your wishes. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at The Annuity Expert or call to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.